In this demo, we are going to look at some AI-generated collection descriptions. So this is a site I'm doing some work on here, and they actually have one of their descriptions down here towards the bottom, but a lot of the collections don't have descriptions. A lot of sites don't. It's one of those things you don't really get around to doing descriptions for all of your collections. So it's a good opportunity, nice piece of SEO content, as well as being useful to customers. And so here is the workflow. We're going to, just doing this on a schedule right now, grabbing a list of smart collections. This has a limit of like 250. So if you had more than this, we'd want to probably architect this a little differently. For testing, I just do limit 1 and then put in a specific handle so I can pull in a specific collection. Like for this one, I wanted to kind of see what it generated for Nike, and kind of, with GPT, it's like you want to kind of get a sense of like, how good is this? Is this really content that I can push live, or is it content that like kind of looks cool, but it's not really ready for prime time? So anyways, we're going to loop over the collections, and then grab a list of the productos. And then, here's a little custom code step that's going to just help me build out this prompt, which is going to basically we're grabbing the, here's the prompt. All right. Here's the magic. So write a short paragraph, 60 words, we're putting in the name of the collection. And then here's from the about page on the site. We're putting in, some background info. That's going to help obviously the prompt to tailor the content, right, to the kind of the voice and the style of the site. And then here's what I'm doing is I'm dropping in the list of products for this particular collection so it can feed those into the prompt as well. And then we are passing it off to the to GPT. And then here's this approval step, so that you probably want to have a human in the loop. And we have a nice approval step that'll kick an email out to you, and it'll also show up in here. And so here's the full prompt that we put together for this, and then here's the output. So dive into the world of Nike with Project Blitz, your premier destination. So pretty good, pretty not too shabby. One thing I'm concerned about is this 4,000 styles is sort of, I think, specific to the whole site, and whereas that's not really very accurate for a collection description. So we'll have to tweak that. It's the name of the game with GPT is doing tweaks. So we'll have to tweak that a little bit to get that to be probably more accurate. But anyways, if you hit accept, it'll go ahead and pass that through to update the body HTML, which is the description field there. And if you decline it, it won't do anything. So that's how it works. Let me know if you need any help with that.